guys, welcome back to BNMTV. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing on this Redcat Gen 8 version 2. And this truck comes in two different colors. It comes in green and then purple. This one here is the purple. It has a brush 550 turn motor, waterproof LiPo and NIM ESC, 25 kilogram servo. This is 1/10 scale 4-wheel drive, waterproof. And on the box here, portal axles, metal links, metal bodied shocks, tires, yeah. Check the stuff. Then you have some body post, looks like, bind plug, instruction manual. Here you have your transmitter, which you have your on, off, your bind, normal, reverse, so you can reverse your settings, steering, that kind of stuff. Satisfying sound of a new truck. And on here you have plastic D-rings. You have folding mirrors in case if you roll it over. You have a hitch receiver. Watch. If you pull this pin here, you can pull this, which pulls that out. Watch, then you can pull out the hitch receiver cover, and then you can put a hitch in there. And this color too in real life probably looks way better than it does on the camera, and that's how most colors are. Then this body, Velcro is very sticky. I'll get back when I get the body off. I got the body off. It's fairly tricky actually for being Velcro. Look at that purple. And then in this body, you can also get lights for all the corners if you want, and then you can see the inner fenders there. And you have your receiver box, your servo, your 550 turn motor. And then you have your waterproof ESC, and this truck has Dean's, but I'm going to change it over to Traxxas. Then you can see your aluminum bodied shocks. And the servo is mounted upside down, as you can see. You can see the portals, and then these wheels are beadlocks. Then you can see your 4-link and your tires, and these tires are fairly soft for being stock tires. And yeah, if you've enjoyed this video on me unboxing this Redcat, please leave a like. If you have any questions about this truck or anything I've used in the video, leave a comment. If you like this kind of content, hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. That helps me out a lot, and I'll see you next time. Peace.